Welcome back to our channel Art of Parenting. Today we are showing a few activities which will help your child to improve their physical skills. Physical skills for an infant means the ability to grab a thing or an object, the ability to hold it properly, and then after holding it properly, having a proper grip to hold it for a longer time. So by doing these activities, it will help your baby to improve their fine motor and gross motor skills as well. You can do these activities with as many objects as possible which are available in your house. Today I have taken 4 objects. These are blocks and a flower. Here I have taken a vegetable, that is cucumber, kira. And then the last object which I have taken is atta. You can also use the clay if you have, or any objects, whatever are available in your house. Now take an object, give it to your child. Let's see how he is going to grab it. Okay. Now he is trying to touch the object, but he did not hold it properly. Yes, now he held it properly, but he is trying to put it in his mouth. Now I am giving the other object as well, the other block, which is of different color. He is trying to notice it, but he dropped one object. You can do this activity to your child if your child is about 5 months old, because then only they will be able to hold the things. Now I'm trying to give a flower to my child. He's just noticing and observing it carefully, because this is the first time he is looking at a flower, but he's not actually trying to grab it. I have taken this because it's a bunch of small flowers. I did not get a whole big flower. If you have a big flower, you can even take that. Aryan, teesko. He's trying to hold my hand, but not the flower. Yes, now he grabbed it, but he plucked one flower. Please ensure that it doesn't go into their mouth. But as parents, it is our responsibility and duty to clear all the mess. Because teaching to infants especially, it's a very big chaos, because they don't know how to hold it properly, or they don't know how to handle it carefully. Next object what I'm trying to give is the vegetable. I have peeled it properly and also de-seeded it. You can take any vegetable. Usually I give it twice or thrice in a week, because now he has started with that itchiness for his teeth. So he chews it for some time. So he knows how to hold it, and he also knows that he can actually chew it with his gums. You can even give a fruit. But please be very careful, parents. Whenever you are doing activities with your children, you please be along with them. If you have any help, you even take the assistance of that people. Okay, now let's move on to the next object. This is the dove, which I have. He's very upset that I have taken it from his hand, but that's okay. This is a little different in size as well as the shape, so he's not ready to grab it. Aryan, teesko. Entidi? Teesko. Okay. They can feel it. Okay, let them feel. It's getting stuck to his hands. All this will help the child to improve their physical skills as well as their fine motor skills. Nowadays, we hear from many parents that their children doesn't prefer to eat with their hand, or they always have to feed their children. They can't eat on their own. And we also hear that it's becoming very difficult for their child, or they are not paying proper attention to hold a pencil or to write it. Doing these kind of activities when your child is like 5 months or 6 months old, till they write or till they start scribbling, this will really help them to improve their fine motor skills, and which will in turn help them to develop their physical skills appropriate to their age. Thank you so much, parents. In the next video, we will be helping you with few activities. How can you develop the linguistic skills of your baby? Thank you. Aryan, say bye.